Hi folks, we've been busy researching electronic drum sets to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what electronic drum set you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best electronic drum sets. The fifth product on our list is the Yamaha DD75. The Yamaha DD75 is a portable digital drum set that doesn't take up much space. There are 8 engaging touch-sensitive drum pads. These are laid out in the same format as an acoustic set would have. You get an auxiliary jack which lets you plug an MP3 player in so you can play along to your favourite tunes. The volume control is a great feature that lets you play without disturbing others. You can plug in your headphones and keep the audio to yourself too. It comes with 2 assignable foot pedals. One is for hi-hat while the other is for kick. This gives you the versatility of playing on actual drums. It has a compact and portable design which allows you to power it using 6 size C batteries. The built-in stereo speakers come with bass support, which ensures that you get fantastic sound quality. You'll get different kits and drum voices that can fit genres such as modern rock, jazz and funk. In percussion mode, you can make use of ethnic kits such as Indian, Chinese, Latin, Middle Eastern and more. The Yamaha DD75 is everything you'd need in a portable drum set. It has that high Yamaha build quality and is affordable, making it perfect for beginners or casual players. The fourth product on our list is the Asmuse electronic drum set kit. The Asmuse electronic drum set is a kit that's great for kids and adults alike. The setup is an easy process with only 7 steps right out of the box. It has an auxiliary input so you can play along to your favourite songs. The drum kit has a USB MIDI output which lets you create wonderful tunes and beats. You get 12 different drum sound kits, a great feature if you play in different genres. The 8-inch snare drum has a mesh drum head that is sensitive and gives your percussion a rich quality. It's comfortable to play and doesn't deviate much from acoustic drums. The cymbals have a dual trigger crash and ride feature. The different sides of the cymbals produce different sounds. It also responds to holding the edge after hitting it to create a choke effect. You can assemble or disassemble the Asmuse drum set using the M6 tool that comes with it. You can adjust the height of any part of the set as needed. It has a steel rack construction which is both firm and durable. If you want to conserve space, simply fold the drum set after playing. If you're looking for an electronic drum set to use for practice at home, then the Asmuse set is a durable choice with great sound. The third product on our list is the Roland TD-1K. The Roland TD-1K is a responsive drum set with a nice 5-piece setup. You get a bass drum, hi-hat, 3 toms, a snare pad and 3 cymbal pads. All of these components are attached to a drum rack that folds easily when you're done playing. Along with the drums you'll get Roland's TD1 drum module which gives you different sound options. The cymbal pads are dual toned which gives them a greater accuracy. They produce different sounds depending on where you hit them. You can create the choke effect as well, which is great for songs with a staccato feel. There's a small knob on top which lets you tighten or loosen the pad itself. The hi-hat pedal is separate from the main setup so you can place it wherever is comfortable. If you press on the front of the pedal it makes the classic hi-hat effect. Pressing on the heel gives you a hi-hat splash effect, which is a great feature for an accurate drum sound. The TD1 module features a metronome which beginners will find useful when practicing rhythm. Overall, the Roland TD-1K is a perfect purchase for home drum sets. The second product on our list is the Avatar HXW SD61-5. Avatar's HXW SD61-5 offers a great amount of bang for your buck. Starting off with the build, you get a sensitive and responsive 8-inch snare pad. The 3 tom pads are also mesh with a 7.5-inch body. The steel rack is sturdy and can be folded when you put it in storage. There's also a full kick tower and a kick pedal, plus a standalone hi-hat controller pedal. The drum module that comes with this set has a straightforward interface with 15 drum sound kits. These range from standard rock styles to percussion heavy kits. You can engage the metronome setting on the module with a single button on the front. If you want to play along to songs, you can feed them through the auxiliary audio jack. The SD61-5 features a USB MIDI connection so you can use drum sample libraries and VSTs. This is a useful feature that lets you connect directly to your computer without hassle. The cymbals and drum pads are all responsive, which gives you the genuine feel of an acoustic drum set. They feel natural to play on and the sounds are well balanced. Avatar's HXW SD61-5 is a great investment for players who are looking to improve their skills at home. The first product on our list is the Alesis Nitro Kit Mesh Kit Bundle. Alesis is great with electronic instruments, so it isn't surprising that the Nitro Mesh Drum Kit has a good setup. At first glance, you have the Nitro module, 4 drum pads that you can tune. There's also a small kick pad, 3 cymbal pads, a hi-hat controller and a kick pedal. It has an all-black design that looks modern and sleek. The dual zone snare adds to the legitimate drum feeling of this kit. By hitting the mesh pad or the outer rim, you get a different sound and intensity. You get a ride, hi-hat and crash cymbal, all of which can create the choke effect. The mesh drum pads, which you usually see on higher priced kits, are the main component of these drums. These mesh heads make playing indoors a quiet experience. They're also a lot more durable than other materials, so they'll last under pressure. They also feel great to play on. The Alesis electronic drum kit comes with everything you need, including a stool, headphones and drumsticks. For a sub $500 price, you'll be getting a lot of value, perfect for beginners or intermediate players. And there you have it folks, the 5 electronic drum sets that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.